In this video, we're going to be looking at project config in BeSync'd. This lets the system automatically organize work updates and integrated sources by the customers and projects mentioned. So if a team member mentions Project X in a voice update or Customer Y in a Slack message, then those work updates can be automatically attributed to the correct projects and customers. This enables activity summaries, intelligence, and reports to have customer and project mentions correctly and automatically attributed. Automatic customer and project matching works intelligently for voice updates as well as any connected data sources, including our pre-built integrations and our public messages API.
Org owners can access the project config from the settings pages in the left sidebar or from the Quick Start menu. Here we are on the project config page, and we can see that there isn't much to it. All that we need to do here is simply enter a customer name. Then enter some projects under that customer.
When a customer or project is no longer active, then just disable them. I'll go ahead and get some more customers and projects entered. And voila! With the magic of video editing, you can now see that our org is well populated with various customers and projects.
Now I think we should jump ahead and see how some of the customer and project data is used. We've also given our fictional team members a chance to use the system and add some of their work update entries.
The org activity dashboard is now colored in with lots of activity from our team members. Clicking into our org briefing, we can see a summary of activity, complete with several headings added based on the summary content. We can see our customer names clearly identified in bold, prefixed with the @ symbol and the pound symbol prefixing projects. And we can also get a briefing for the entire month of February, with customers and projects mentioned throughout. On the customer activity page, we can see button selectors for each of the customers that we added. When we select a customer, we can view a concise work summary for the time period selected. And below, we can see the individual work update entries that have been used to populate this customer activity summary. Clicking into a work update entry, we can see how customers and projects can be assigned or edited manually. This assignment of customers and projects happens automatically when work updates are generated from voice updates or from work messages originating from integrations such as Slack. On the Reports page, we can expand the Customer's dropdown and select the customer that we are looking for, as well as the reporting period. We can then see a list of available reports in the period selected. Clicking into a report, we can see an automatically generated PDF report for that customer, which is editable and ready for download or sending.
With some simple config, BeSync'd organizes teamwork updates into customer summaries that effectively enable cross-team communication and automated customer reporting. See you in the next video.